Okay, I also like to plot the high and low of Tuesday. So I have a Tuesday high. I have a Tuesday low here. It could be totally rubbish, right? Price may just keep going down and down and down, right? Hello everyone, welcome back to FX 20 Pips. Today is the 12th of May 2023, and it's a Friday, my time, GMT plus 8. Now, currently, we are, as usual, looking at the 8 hours GBPUSD chart. And as usual, what I would do is to get my range box for the 8 hours. Okay, and as you can see, yesterday, after the news of the US CPI and the GBP interest rate, the GBP USD pair dropped. Okay, it fell out of this 8 hour range box, closed below, and currently the next 8 hours candle is just a little bit bullish. Okay, still have about 5 minutes left. All right, by the time this video is uploaded, will be another 30 minutes, I believe. Okay, but this is where we are currently at. I like to quickly go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, and what I want to show you is the details of the candle. All right. Okay, this is the US news, if I'm not wrong. Let me just look at the time. No, US news will be about here. Okay, US news will be about here. And that was an hour of solid drop. Okay, from 9 p.m. it drops all the way to this level. All right. Now, I remember yesterday I was quickly plotting a Tuesday chart. This is what it seems like. Okay, this was the high and low of last Tuesday. Today is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. All right, and then the previous Tuesday. Okay, I'm going to go to a higher time frame. Let's say we go 4 hours. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So this is the previous Tuesday high, previous Tuesday low. All right, and then I'll have many other previous Tuesday level. Okay, but I only show the one that's gone 3 days back and the previous week one. Okay. Interestingly, is price drop and stop there. Okay. Yep. No doubt there's a wick that go further down. I look at where the price stopped. Of course, this is the after it happens. Okay, then you know that the price drop at this level. But what I'm trying to say is, because I have always been plotting on this Tuesday, right, and it's always there in my chart, which I can easily hide it away or bring it up. Okay, now what I'm trying to point out to you is that price drop and stop at previous Tuesday high. Why? Seriously, I don't know why. but I just know that it's a level that it stop at. So then what makes it interesting would be that Tuesday high and low could be an important level. All right, it might not be important today, it might not be important tomorrow, but as such, in this case, it become important 7 or 8 days later. All right. Okay. So it's good to always plot your Tuesday high and low. Okay, now that's what something I want to let you guys know. All right. There was other thing that I wanted to tell you. Just hang on. Yes. Go to the day chart. Okay, let's go to the day chart. This is my observation. It could means nothing, but you know, look at this chunk of uptrend. All right, it started in 8th of March. Okay, since the 8th, it has been going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, maybe a down. Okay, now you realize that I don't treat this as down. I mean, in the bigger time frame, this is just one solid up, isn't it? Okay, on a day chart. Okay, if you go very details, you'll be like up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, which is like just going to confuse you more. So what I'm looking at is any two continuous day of bearish, because we are on a day chart. Okay, any two continuous, I'll consider it as a proper retracement. Okay, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up. Is this down yet? I don't know. I don't know how this is going to form. Okay, because we still got 15 hours for today's candle. Now, having said that, what I want you to see is this. If I were to draw this and say from 8th of March, that's the highest it goes. Okay, this one tells me it went for rather 4 bars. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and over 6 days. The peak was 400 pips of bullishness. Right? Then the next up from here to, where can I put it? Yeah, maybe. Yep, because I consider this as one uptrend. This is 515 pips. Okay, over 14 bars. Okay, 1 bar is 1 day, right? Because this one would include Saturday, Sunday, if I'm not wrong. All right, so we just look at the bars. All right, 1 bar is 1 day. All right. Now, then we just keep looking at it here. Yep. So here down to up. That's 202 pips. Another one down from here all the way here. 230 pips. Okay, and then down from here to here. 244 pips up. Okay, can you see it? Right. Let's put it as green for the start, so to differentiate it. Can I do that? There's green. Okay, so there's up. How about the retracement of the two bearish days? So it'll be here to here. That's 193.5 pips. Okay, let's put it as red. Yep. Another one from here to here, 180.9 pips. Okay, let's get one more from here to here, 193.3 pips. So as you can see, I keep repeating to find all these. Yeah. Okay. I hope that you know that I'm using the Manex here, right? Okay, by using a Manex, it's pretty easy. I just click here, and the moment I go near to the point, you see how the program just go to the top here. Okay, if I want to go to the open, I just go here. You see how it goes to the top of it, another high, go to the top. Okay, see how it monetizes itself to all these important level, and that's why it's easy and quicker to find the high point, low point. Yeah, high point, low point. Yeah. All right. So remember to use this Manex for easy drawing. Okay. Now the important thing I want to do is we have the uptrend, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So down, right? So we have for this uptrend, we have uh, lots of data here. So we have the down, we have the down, we have the down, we have the down. So can we assume how far this is going to go down based on the previous? Right, we can only use whatever we got and guess. Make a guess, all right? So here I click on this one, 193.5 pips, and I put clone. I move it. I move it. So I clone it so it's the same length here, right? So I don't adjust anything. I put it to the high, right? Oh, you see, we are almost there, isn't it? Now, okay, let's try another one. So this is for this one. So here I clone it, and I'm going to move it. Put it here. Wow, is this about the same level? This is 180.9 pips of drops, which I got it from here. Let's see what is this drop here. So it's from here to here. Okay, so we have 183.3. So that's only 3 pips away from a previous history, which is this one. Okay, so this is a duplicate of this. Let's try this. I'm going to clone it again. Put it here. Right. This is 193.3. What was this? This was 193.5. Wow. Get the about the same um, retracement amount between this one and this one. Okay, which is represented by this and this. Okay, this is an interesting find. I mean, for me. All right, let's try this one. Okay, let's clone it, put it here, and you see this is a bit shorter, right? Okay, so do you see where I'm coming from? All right, by using the previous retracement, previous retracement, previous retracement, you could have a fair gauge of the next one when it comes down. How far will it go? All right. Does it work all the time? I don't know. This has only been March. I need more time to look at it. Maybe I have to look at the history back there. But now I'm just looking at it here. I think that is enough for me. Do I use it to trade anything? No. It's just give me, you know, knowledge is powerful. Okay. So have this at the back of your mind, and it might become useful to you. Okay, having said that, it also means that can you use this and clone it, and if you find a definitive bullish trend, can you be safe and say that, yep, this is what I'm aiming for? Okay, so there are a few here. You can use it, okay, as part of a confluence. All right, don't use it by itself and say, yes, it's going to go up here. That's not the way it is. All right, but what we are looking at is the informations that all these candles is providing to us in plain sight. Okay, some of you may say, well, all I can do to know where this price stop is use a trend line. Okay, so let's see. Maybe I start from here and I go to the highest point. See, right? Find a point here. I find a point here. I can say, wow, he stopped here and jumped. Okay, that is just something for you to use as a confluence. Okay, meaning that if someone else had already drawn this, say in what is this, April 21st, so these traders with this length of the trend line, okay, meaning that when he drew this, he could have gone, oh, no, he could have gone here and said to himself that every time price touches goes to here, it's going to buy up, touches here, it's going to buy up, touches here, it's going to buy up. Okay, all right. He wouldn't know, but he might be trading just with a trend line. Okay, and then as time goes by, this is what happened. All right, every time you touch, you buy up. All right, I think you get the idea, right? Every time you touch, you buy up, touch, and then maybe now he wants to buy up. Okay, we don't know. But what I'm trying to say is draw all the lines that you think is important to you, which you think makes sense to you. Okay, use it as part of a conference to whether you want to buy or sell the chart, the price during that time. Okay, now let's see what's going on now. Okay, now we are at the 8 hours chart. Price came down, first candle. Second candle is bullish, but it's still out. Okay. There is a GBP news in 47 minutes. Okay. This, depending, might bring it down further or bring the price up. Yeah, it's 50-50, isn't it? Okay. What you can do is now move this 8 hours block here. Put it here. Okay. So this will be our 8 hours block. Right. We still have the day range. If you look at the day, yesterday came all the way down on the day range, same thing. So the second candle is what I am also waiting for. Like what I say, still have 15 hours to go. If this one goes back up here, this range will stay. Okay, all right. Not going to assume anything. We just need to let the price do what it wants to do. We go back to 8 hours, and we are here, right? So that's how my theory works. Okay, that was the previous 8 hours, right? First candle out, and we need to see where the second candle is. Now the second candle is still below the range, and that is why I then take this as the new 8 hour box. Okay, and then same thing, if I buy here, I might buy, if it comes out here, I might buy up again. All right, depending on what which one suits your personality. All right, okay, so let's go back to do our daily charting here. So what do? We have, I have already done it, so it's basically right here. Okay, previous day high, previous day midpoint, previous day low. That is Tuesday, Monday opening. All right, so for this week, okay, the weekly candle is currently like this, the week and the week here. Okay, so the weekly candle is bearish up to this point here, right? Okay, and I always say that retracement is healthy. Okay, this is the week, and look at all these bullish candle. So the bit of retracement is healthy for you to go further up. All right. Okay, I think I'm jumping all over the place. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. Sorry for that. Okay, we are at 1 hour. Now I haven't been drawing the buy and sell zone lately, so let's do it now. Okay, so buy and sell zone is usually done before the London sessions to find the high point and low point of the start of the day. And then you do your buy zone and sell zone. So here I have, I can put this a very small zone here. That would be my buy zone. And then my sell zone, I can put it here as the sell zone. Okay, but then we are not far away from here. This is 3 pips. This is, let's move the map for this one. So from here is about 4 pips. Okay, you can also use yesterday low as the sell zone. Okay, this can be done too. All right, because you want to, the reason why you want to put it here is because that you don't want to start selling here and then you face with a rejection or support and then you start going back up here, right? As per this one, because it start going up here. All right, so logically the sell zone I would put it here so that if it actually breaks down here, okay, and then I wait for the second candle. If it's still going down, then this will be going down. Okay, if the second candle is going up, then basically what it means is that it's just trying to take the stop loss here. Okay, price come down, take out all the stop loss, and then just keep going up again. Okay, all right. Hope you understand what I'm talking about. All right. Oh, and yes, one more thing. Also, why the price stop here? Okay, basically it's a round number around here, 1.25000. Okay, this is the round number theory. All right, right. 1.25, 1.26. Okay, somebody will say 1.255. Okay, so yeah, but again, I would say these are all confluence to for you to use and rely on. Okay, so everything is basically on the candle, the information that they gave us. All right, I think that should be the end for today. It's pretty wow. It's also another 25 minutes. Okay, so to summarize, I have shown to you how I move the 8 hours box. Okay, I also explained to you how I use the uh, in the day range. Okay, in the day range, I also explained to you how I determine the uh, negative or the retracement. Okay, how I determine the retracement and then use the length for some projection. Okay, all right. Okay, I hope that this video is up before 2 p.m. or London Open, my time, and then you can find it hopeful in your trading, whether you're scalping or you are doing trading on the 8 hours time frame. All right. Okay. Um. All right. I see you maybe on a weekend. It's Friday today, isn't it? Maybe I see you on the weekend, and we can talk about some other things. A weekly forecast or something like that. All right. That's all for today. Thank you. See you again.